To truly understand the vision of a growth company, we must explore deep into its quest for development. In 1942, the late Mr. Thong Guan borrowed $50 from his father-in-law and started a business to trade in tea in Sungai Lalang, Kedah. After the Second World War, he established a fleet of vans to trade in other consumer products. With the ready market from the van sales, Kilang Plastic Thong Guan was established to manufacture plastic drinking straws and raffia strings in the late 1960s, thus initiating Thong Guan's entry into plastic product manufacturing. Today, Thong Guan Industries Berhad has evolved to become one of the largest plastics packaging manufacturers in Asia Pacific, with production output in excess of 120,000 metric tons of plastic packaging per annum. It is listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia with an annual turnover of more than 750 million ringgit. Thong Guan's core manufacturing operations are situated in Northern Peninsula Malaysia. In the town of Sungai Petani, Kedah, that spreads over 7 locations and covers an area of 70 acres. It also has manufacturing operations in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah in East Malaysia, Suzhou, Jiangsu Province in China, and Bangkok in Thailand. Stretch film makes up close to half of the group's total revenue and has been its main growth driver. Thong Guan's experience and continuous learning principle in the manufacturing of stretch film over the past 20 years has propelled it to be one of the most technologically advanced manufacturers in the world. It is the sole manufacturer in Asia Pacific to specialize in the production of 33-layer co-extrusion nanotechnology film. The superior nano-layer films are produced with advanced mechanical properties designed to resist puncture, tear, and offer consistent holding force with the right wrapping technique. It is most suitable to yield wrap consistency and optimization, as well as to tackle high-speed machine wrap requirements. Coupled with the expertise and testing capabilities of the group's Newton Research and Development Center, a significantly lower cost, safer and stable wrap are tailored for the group's premium customers under its Guardian and Nano 33 labels. Thong Guan is also the pioneer in the research and commercialization of thin-gauge cast hand-wrapped stretch film in the region. The thin-gauge films are designed to double the number of pallets wrapped, given the same net weight of films vis-à-vis other conventional hand-wrapped films. The success of its Max Stretch brand of thin-gauge film is testimony to this commitment. It is Asia's technology leader in machine wrap, as well as hand-wrapped stretch film applications. Thong Guan stretch films are exported worldwide to more than 60 countries. Thong Guan Industries Berhad has been recognized as the 10th largest producer of pallet stretch film in the world. The group's blown film division is equipped with mono, 3 and 5 layer extruders able to produce film of up to 6 meters in width. Sophisticated features of the lines include automatic gravimetric system, chill air ring, and internal bubble cooling system for high transparency and output. Automatic thickness control and oscillating takeoff to ensure consistent film profile, and the central drive tension control winding system for consistent film rolls. Specific applications of the high-quality film include stretch hood, lamination film, film for automatic packing machine, collation shrink film, and shrink hood. Thong Guan is currently the sole converter to use the 5-layer technology to produce stretch hood in Malaysia. The group's bag-making machines are equipped with wicketing units for bread and other food applications, side sealing, hole punching, square bottom V-seal, and bags on roll with perforations. The group's 5 to 9 colors rotogravure printing machines runs quality print for any customization print required by customers. Garbage bags is today the second largest component of Thong Guan's business, contributing close to 1/4 of its total turnover. 90% of the group's production of garbage bags are exported to Japan.
Thong Guan has been exporting garbage bags to Japan, our largest market since 1993. With production output in excess of 40,000 metric tons, we are able to meet stringent Japanese requirements. Today, we are one of the largest exporters of garbage bags to Japan, contributing more than 12% of the total bags consumed.
Thong Guan has adopted comprehensive hygienic and process controls in its production to ensure its products are in compliance with stringent Japanese standards of zero contamination and error. Cutting-edge barcoding technology is employed to track stock movements to its final destinations, to eliminate omission, enhance accuracy, as well as to reduce reliance on manpower. Thong Guan is confident of maintaining its position as the leading supplier of garbage bags to Japan. Thong Guan's compounding division is equipped to produce various types of plastic compounds, including calcium carbonate master batch, titanium dioxide-based white master batch, color master batches from various pigments, anti-block and anti-static master batches, and PPA processing aids. The plastic compounds has enabled the group to vary and optimize its raw material consumption. It also ensures internal and external customers of its integrity and reliability. Compounds are tested at its in-house production facilities to ensure its functionality prior to delivery to external customers. In line with the company's 3 R's philosophy of reduce, reuse and recycle to preserve the environment and resources for the future world, the group has been ensuring that all its in-house plastic waste is fully recycled. Towards this end, all its manufacturing facilities are equipped with plastic recycling machinery. In recognition for its endeavors, Thong Guan's plants has been awarded the ISO 14001 certification for waste and resource management. Thong Guan ventured into the manufacturing of PVC food wrap in 2011 with the establishment of TG Power Wrap Sendirian Berhad. Today, it is one of Southeast Asia's largest producer with 8 production lines, producing more than 10,000 metric tons of films per annum. PVC resins are carefully sourced from Japan to produce high aesthetic, minimal gel transparent films. Non-phthalate-based plasticizers are employed together with hygienic manufacturing techniques consistent with Japanese practices. The plant is ISO 9000, 14000, 22000, HACCP and Halal certified to reflect its commitment to quality and best practices. The company produces films for various applications, including household rolls, catering rolls for eateries, commercial rolls suitable for all kinds of food, including fruits, vegetables, poultry meat, as well as films for automatic packing machines. Thong Guan aspires to be the largest producer of PVC food wrap in Asia Pacific in the next 5 years. In its effort to realize its vision to be a high-technology company offering value proposition to its customers, Thong Guan established the Newton Research and Development Center in 2016 primarily to analyze, optimize, solve, and innovate on load stability and safety concepts. Newton is an accredited member of the European Safe Logistics Association (EUMOS), the transport safety expert group that wrote, among others, the EUMOS 40509 standard. Coupled with its cutting-edge technology and vast experience in load stability, Newton is able to provide holistic research and testing, training, consulting, and validation and certification services to its target customers. Newton is also a certified training provider of the Malaysian Human Resource Development Fund, a unit of the Ministry of Human Resources, Malaysia. It is also an associate of other knowledge-based organizations, such as Spain's Itene Research Center, Belgium's ESTL, and the Kedah Industrial Skills and Management Development Center. While Thong Guan has made significant strides in the plastic packaging business, it has continued to be one of the largest manufacturers and distributors of tea, coffee, and other consumables in Malaysia under its 888 trademark. Having earned the Halal, HACCP and GMP certifications, Thong Guan maintains stringent quality control on all its manufacturing processes to ensure that its products are hygienic and safe for consumption at all times. Our core tea product range includes black tea, oolong Chinese tea, and green tea. The black tea is imported from Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Africa, and is blended based on our traditional formulation. It is sold as tea dust, suitable for the local teh tarik, the locally popular teh wangi rose, as well as in tea bags. Our coffee range includes the local roast kopi o, as well as the gourmet roasted coffee beans. Thong Guan also manufactures instant beverages in convenient packs such as 3-in-1 instant milk tea and coffee, chocolate malt drink, and cereal beverages. Thong Guan acquired ever-prosper food industries subsidiary Berhad to produce organic noodles under its brand name of Vitame, Menosato, and Golden Noodle. Organic and natural noodles are now produced at its combined production facilities of over 100,000 square feet plants in Sungai Petani, Kedah and Sepang, Selangor in Malaysia. The noodles are produced using organic high-protein flour without any preservatives and artificial additives under strict hygienic conditions. Natural sunlight or steam evaporation process are utilized as the noodle drying technique. Healthy noodles such as somen, udon, ramen, soba are produced in different flavors such as carrot, beetroot, sesame, spirulina, seaweed, charcoal and atta. It also produces organic baby noodles predominantly for the China market. All our products are certified organic by the various authorities, including NASA, Australia, the NOP, USDA, JAS, Japan, NCO, the European Union, internationally by IFOAM and COFCC, China. We are also HACCP, GMP, ISO 22000 and Halal accredited, as well as meeting the stringent BRC certification. Ultimately, what sets Thong Guan apart from its peers is its dedication and support for its people. Our staff are our family, and we are always ready to invest in talent. The dynamic drive of the Ang family, coupled with their firm belief in investing for the future, is one of the main reasons that Thong Guan has a high retention of its employees and a largely happy and committed workforce. Strongly rooted with a rich, honorable tradition and family values, Thong Guan's strong reputation and hallmarks will provide it with a complete platform for further growth. In 2017, we celebrate our 75th year of existence. Exciting times are underway as we look forward towards the next 75 years. Thong Guan Industries Berhad, boldly packaging the future.